Right, Dodge. We're to kick off Dodge Airshow over here, Dodge. First Airshow championship in this thing, Dodge. Right, we'll start to go. Go flaps over down. We'll attack, we'll kick off Dodge. Ball hustle, Dodge. Brand. This got done like 2 weeks ago, Dodge. Oh, I guess we'll attack, we'll take off, right? Go. I feel some of it actually. It's one of the BS stats. I'll kill myself right now. Good luck, that could take off. Falling up. Hey. I love when things don't work. Kill us whole shit. I would like you got. What do you say? Got some good ones. Why is that right? I don't know. I'll kill you, suck. Suck a head got nuts. I can fight you in the under a millisecond, you dead or blink of an eye, Dodge. Okay, Dodge. 1 second here, 1 second you're in the sky, Dodge. Shut up. Heck go, you piece of dirt. Wanna fight right now? We can fight right now, Dodge. I don't care about spray, I don't care about job, I don't care about life, Dodge. Yeah, you meant to me. Why are you so mean? Why are you so mean to me? Heck yes, look. I'll get my phone all past, Dodge. I'll kill you in seconds. The heck's wrong? Switch out, Dodge. I'll kill everyone in this place. I'll kill the whole earth. Okay, I say that. I'll kill every single one. I'll requit and live. I don't care. Shut the heck up, dude. Jack's crying. Somebody drop. Right, Joe Pass special. Alright, can you touch go, Dutch? Because that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it. Shut the heck up, Dutch. Don't stop me, sister. Yeah, he wanna fight. He wanna die right now, I think. Oh, shut up, Dutch. Easy back here, Dutch. There's 1830, Dutch. Alright, Dutch, you gotta help us out, Dutch. What the heck you guys do? I should get ready for a touch go, Dutch. You hear us? No. Well, shut the heck up, Dutch. Oh, I'm just way after Dutch. We'll make it work. Alright, we have switch on these Dutch. Alright, because switch on these. See you guys do now. So heck up, Dutch. The heck up. Dirt face. Alright, Dodge, get ready for landing, Dodge. Just get the planet down. Shut up! Shut the heck up, buddy. Don't kill both of us. I'll kill you anyway, Dodge. Okay? Understand that? Heck up. Shut the heck up! You piece of dirt. Oh, shit, Dodge. Ah! Can I concentrate, nuts? Holy cow. Yeah, you broke my neck. You almost broke my spine. Oh shit, on the inside. We're gonna make instant right turn nuts or left. Turn left turn nuts. Just keep it charging, maybe you'll make it. You never know. All the way, lads. So this is two forms, lads. Hurry up, lads. Let's go, now. Let's go. Power charge plane should be over there. And yeah, let's. How the heck is she over here? I don't know. Oh, no using no. Oh shit. Right, you're gonna fly right over the ground and land on the ground, okay? So touch go up here. I'm great here. What next? This will touch go on the ground. That's a great idea, man. Yes! What the heck you guys do? Should touch go on the ground, man. On the ground. You're gonna kill anyone! What the heck is wrong with you? You kill everyone! What? Dodge, I don't care, Dodge. You actually kill if I kill everyone that turn. Oh shit. Everyone's gonna die, Dodge. It's better. Is there a nuclear bomb again, Dodge? So. You killed everyone, you're fired. You better flee the country. What, Dodge? Holy cow, I was crushed. I was a part of the ground basically. What? Hey, pull up. Hey, pull up. God, what? We're stalling, Dutch. How are we stalling 190 back? Alright, looks like everyone's fine. Just do the attention go. Actually, no land. You got that. Oh, whoa. You stoned? Are you stoned? Oh, Dutch. Oh, shit, Dutch. Oh, shit, stalling. You got scissor power. We're gonna die, Dutch. What? Oh, I see trouble with that. We're gonna die, Dutch. I'll tell you that right now. I'm told. I got it dead. Come on, Dutch. Hold up. Wait. Gravity's Dutch. Just like Dutch. Just like Dodge. Oh, should we make it mountain? What the heck is wrong with you guys? Oh, shit. Oh, you guys are dead. No. No. Alright, so I barely see you guys, but you guys have land. A full stop button, good start. Full stop, you guys got full stop. Fine, guys. We can intercept you guys right now, or you guys just kill yourself, okay? Shut the heck up, piece of business. Huh? Talk to the rules. I'm gonna try off radar, guys, because I don't care about you. Yeah, sorry. Actually, you wanna crash plane into the crowd and everything? Hey. I know the key's started, but Dodge, we're gonna crash into the radio tower, guys. How would you do that? How would you land a taxi, lads? How would you do that, lads? Sounds like a perfect idea, lads. Little PT vest video right now. Looks right on. So, if anyone pays for the festival, you have something wrong with you, Sorry about that. Fix anything was terrible. Everything's still one. That's a great idea, lads. That's good. No, actually, I will land right away. Yeah, can't quit shooting. You do full shot, lads, or no? No, you don't. Right, lads. That's smooth. Is there an airplane runway? Ah, crap, lads. There's an airplane runway. Who cares? Fly over. Fly over. Fly over. Touchdown, lads. Oh shoot. We're gonna die. What the heck you guys doing? What the heck you guys doing? Come on, lads. Lads. I can't. Dad, for that. Dad. 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 No.